Hi everyone. So today I'm going to make a tassel for that firework paper pocket letter I made yesterday to go with it. And to save time, I just took all red, white, and blue eyelash yarn. I took it all and just did this already to save some time. And then we'll string it through. This is going to be the tough part now. I decided I wanted to use this little ring. So let me put everything through here. Oh, that wasn't too bad. This is a big one. I don't know what I was thinking making it this big. I think I'm going to cut it a little bit. It's big. Okay. I put some beads in it. I put blue, white, and some red beads just strung in there. And we'll tie it up. I'm going to get some red thread and just tie it. Getting stuck. Okay, I think that's good. This eyelash yarn really makes a mess. It goes everywhere. Alright. I think I'll trim these bottoms just a little bit. This is crazy big. I didn't expect it to be this big for whatever reason. It's okay, but let me just cut the end. I don't like the way that looks. Let me just cut that off. It probably would have been good to add some like ribbons and things, but I didn't have any. I really don't have these colors too much, and the red ones that I do have are all Christmas. So anyway, here's my little tassel. So this monstrosity, oh my goodness, that is funny, but I made it and it's got beads on it. So I am going to hook this onto the I'm going to hook it onto the pocket letter, and I think I'm just going to take some of these off here at the top. There's so many of these. Let's do a little bit over here. Okay, so here's my crazy 4th of July tassel. Thank you for joining me. I don't know what to think about it. I think if some ribbon was mixed in, it wouldn't it would look a little bit better, but hey, what do you want? So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.